sales suffer during the off-season? It's a financial challenge to your small business. Plus, employees can feel like they're in the doldrums when business isn't booming. Here are some ways to manage the ebbs and flows that can lead to frustrating downtime. When you have lots of incoming cash or other income available during the busy season, it can be all too tempting to give raises, expand your dealership, open a new location, or otherwise burn through those funds before the year is really over. Be mindful of your company's long-term needs and don't spend money simply because you have the cash on hand. Defer spending and instead try saving those funds for a stormy day. It can be hard to manage personal time during fluctuations in activity, and it's even harder to keep part-time employees motivated and engaged during a seasonal slump in the sales cycle. Seasonal small businesses can succeed only by being very organized and efficient about everyone's time, including customers as well as employees. Try to shift business plan reviews, strategy sessions, and other extraneous activities to less busy seasons in order to avoid stress when the busy season starts. It's vital for small businesses to plan ahead for at least 6 months to a year. After 12 months in business, a small business owner should develop at least a basic understanding of the sales process and cycles in the industry, and therefore be better able to project sales data based on seasonality. If your small business is just starting, research peers and industry sources to get a better idea on how seasonality affects your dealership. Unlike natural disasters, fluctuations in the markets, or the unreliability of the economy, you can plan for seasonal ebbs and flows and use those cycles productively. The perfect time to review and adjust your business strategy is after a busy and successful high season, when the hustle and bustle of selling and installing window film has subsided. Review your business strategy by soliciting staff and customer feedback to identify what worked and what didn't. Leverage online reviews to your advantage. Review lessons learned and identify trends with your staff. Then formulate or adjust your business strategy not only for the next high season, but also for the duration of the off-season. For more information about managing your business cycles, download the content that accompanies this video.